Today we'll be baking this delicious dog cake. What's up, all you beautiful people? Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I appreciate all of your support, whether you've liked my videos, commented on them, or even subscribed to my channel. My goal is to bring you great content each week, so be sure to tune in every Sunday. And you can just hit that subscribe button and make sure to click the bell so you get notified each week when I upload a new video. So, today's video, we have a special guest. He's got 4 legs, floppy ears, and his name is Brutus. We're gonna celebrate his 8th birthday together. It's actually my first time baking for Brutus, so fingers crossed that he'll like it. I am so happy to share this recipe with you, and if you're inspired, let me know how it turned out for you and your fur babies. Leave your experience in the comments below. So, without much further ado, let's get started. You'll need organic eggs, organic whole wheat flour, baking powder, ripe bananas, unsalted butter, and baking soda. For the icing, you'll need organic yogurt and peanut butter. First, we'll preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then we'll mix the wheat flour, baking powder, and baking soda in a large bowl. You'll pour the bananas, butter, and a 3/4 cup of water together in a separate bowl. Mix it all up and add it into the flour mixture. Now you're going to continue to beat until the mixture mixes really well. Add your eggs one at a time, beating after each addition. I tried something a little different, and I grabbed one of his treats, mashed it up, and added it into the batter. Now, to make sure that the cake doesn't stick to the pan, I used some of the unsalted butter and some of the flour and sprinkled it all around. Set your timer for 30 to 35 minutes. Now it's time for the fork test. Let's see how clean it comes out. Ooh, looking good. While the cake cools, let's make the icing. For this part, you'll use 1/2 cup of yogurt and 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Mix it really well. And voila. Now you can start spreading it on the cake after it's cooled for at least 10 minutes. There's the birthday boy. All right, what's the verdict, Brutus? Do you like it? Do you? I think he loves it. Look at that clean plate. He's ready for next year's cake. I hope you all enjoyed that recipe, and I hope it was as fun for you to make it as it was for me. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit the thumbs up button and drop some comments below. I would like to hear your experience and to hear if your fur babies loved it too. Be sure to subscribe. I have a new video coming this Sunday just for you. Hi, Bubba. Stay. Good boy. Brutus, sit. Good boy, baby. Lay down. Lay down. Down. Good boy, baby. Give me 5. Give me 5. Yeah, Bubba. Yay. Say hi, Bubba.